Hello and welcome to this episode. It is March. We are sorry. I'm all knocking stuff down. So I kept going back and forth if I was going to film this video only because it is really gloomy. The past couple of days have been just like cold, gloomy weather. While I like gloomy weather, it is not the best for filming for me right now. So I had to go ahead and set up in my craft room to go ahead and get this started. So, welcome to the Babe Box for February. It is here. It is here, guys. It is here. Yay! All right, so let's go ahead and get started and get into this. Let me move my chair out of the way. How have you guys been? I know it's been a good minute. Hold on, 1 second. Hold on. I need to get some scissors. All right. So, how's life? This past month, my birthday, February, was awesome. And now we are going to be getting ready for March. It's been a pretty busy month, but here we are. Okay. Woo! So welcome to the Self-Love Club for the month of February. So this is the February Babe Box. And it's been working out for me really nicely to go ahead and use the monthly subscription as my theme for the month in my planner. Just so that I can show you guys real quick what I was working on. There were some printable downloads because you do get printable downloads with your subscription. And with the clip art, I ended up making this. And I'm going to be laminating it, and it's going to be my little dashboard. And then I also made this vellum with the clip art that they provided. And then this one is on paper. So, very cute, very, very cute. But let's get into this. So the first thing that we have is some washi. Oh, it got a little boo-boo. I'm saving these and putting them in the back of my planner, but check that out. Very cute. Let me open this up real quick. Got some scissors here. I do wish that it came with papers, but I'm happy that it came with a little photo album. So let me put that aside. So it comes with 2 washi. I mean, with the digitals, you can make your own paper, which is what I did. But I want to unroll this for you guys so that way you can take a look. My nails are not cooperating with me right now. Hold on. Technical difficulties. All right, here we go. Oh, that's cute. You know what? These could be used as little date stickers. Since it's white, you could write a number or something in there, or maybe the month. I mean the day. And it's got hollow. Yay. So cute. And then we have a little one. Oh, look at the little moons. You guys seeing that? Little moons. And it's also got hollow. I want to take this out for you guys. I really like the washi that they use. It's so buttery. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I'm going to say cute a lot in this video, aren't I? Bear with me, guys. Put that aside. And next we have some cards. It is a deck of cards. They are affirmation cards to remind you of your worth. Ways to use this deck is read 1 card out loud every day and carry the feeling with you. Shuffle the deck and pull 1 card as needed to receive your message. Display your favorite affirmation cards for a constant reminder. And it says TheHoneyBShop. Now, I've seen these online and they are gorgeous. But of course, having it in my hands is going to be a whole other experience. I like the card box. It feels very nice and sturdy. Wow, it is very nice and sturdy. It has like a gloss on it. Very nice. Ooh. Oh, I love the hollow. I mean, I knew they were hollow, but dang, yes. So pretty. They feel like, well, they feel embossed and laminated. I will not limit the beliefs I have within myself. Oh, that's pretty. Even in struggles, I'm never alone. I will nourish myself. I prioritize my mental, physical, and spiritual health. And last, I will be gentle with myself. I am doing my best. Very nice. I'm not going to go through all of these because they are a lot, but I would love to pull one each day to start my day and just journal about the thought or just say it to myself as an affirmation. So I can understand with the quality of these cards why there was no paper. I prefer this over paper. But yeah, so that's great. Next, I'm just kind of going in here and grabbing some stuff. VIP of the Adult Stickers Club got the little bee going on right there. And I believe, I'm not sure what size this fits, to tell you the truth. Take this out. Let me see. All right, so this was from the last Babe box. So let me get one of these. Cute. So that will fit in there. It's a nice little album. I was excited about this one. I am excited for the next one also. I will definitely be getting my hands on that. Maybe I'll put my name or something there. Nice little album. I don't want to blind you, so I'll move that. And that stuff over here. Next, we have our die cut stickers. Take these out for y'all. Put my hand, the palm of my hand, and let's do this. Very cute. I wasn't too sure about the colors at first. But you know, what I like about these subscriptions is that it kind of makes me go outside my little comfort zone and try new things that I normally wouldn't do on my own. Woo! But pink is my thing. Love the variety of skin tones. I was at a planner meetup and I was telling the girl, I like that, that's a real big one. I was telling the girls that I tend to use in my book, and you'll probably see when I do a flip through, I tend to use girls with darker skin tone because I think they're so pretty. I wish I had more color. I feel like I look like a ghost. So nice variety of stickers. I will put that to the side. Next, we have a self-love club book. Let me open this. I don't want to snip the paper. There we go. Hello, hello, hello. Got the nice Honeybee Shop on there. Plenty of pages. And they are morning intentions, evening reflections, and you're able to circle and date and mood, which I like that they're not pre-dated, so you can start and stop whenever you like. And in the front, we have who it belongs to. In the back, we just have a nice little sheet. Can even put a pocket here and like store some stuff in there. So this will definitely be a nice little companion for my planner. Next, sticker book. I'm in love with the sticker books, I swear. Sticker books are like my thing. I use them for my daily and monthly spreads. So, oh, so gorgeous. You know, I can see pictures all I want and video all I want, but until like I have it in my hand, then I'm just like all about it. Love the sticker paper. Morning routine, evening routine, today's intentions. Mood, I like how you can write your own mood. I don't work out, but I'm going to figure out a way of using those workout ones. Hydrate. Oh, I'm like collecting these. I'm going to figure out something to do with those. I'm going to laminate them or something. Make something cute with them. Oh, more dates for the calendar. Lovely. And then on the back, lets you know the theme and that it was for February. More stuff, dude. Got some sticker sheets, more sticker sheets. Ooh, my bad. Okay. Visualize your highest self and start showing up for them. Oh, good reminder. Oh, okay, cool. I get all 3. Yay! I get all 3 skin tones. Yay! I am happy with that. These are some journaling cards. Ooh. Cute. Does it have a little film on it? No, it doesn't seem like it has a little film on there. Sometimes like acrylics like that, like things like this have like a little film. And I just wasn't sure if it had one or not. And I'm a little afraid to peel it, to tell you the truth. But cute. And then we have some window clings. And these go on a window. And apparently they have like a little hollow to them also. Not sure if you can see. It says Self-Love Club. And believe in your dreams. Nice. And then we have this. And I like saving these. This one got a little tough love in transit, but I do like using these for documents and such. So yeah. Thank you for joining me in this episode. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And until then, have a wonderful day.